Well, now he's quiet for you.
Yeah.
He was screaming at me.
He's looking at me like, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna eat me? He's gonna eat you, I promise. You're so cute. You're so cute.
Looks like he's smiling.
Yeah. Aww. There you go. Hey.
Oh, he hates you.
It's so loud. Oh my
Not
gosh.
You don't like her? Is she a witch? She's a witch.
Here. Pop your head. Just relax.
Oh, so cuddly.
Oh. I'm tickling him.
Man, don't be so protective. Yeah, see? Oh, yeah. Look at all those things. The Magnificent Seven. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
That is so loud.
Jeez. You got enough fire going there, farm girl?
I had a
It hurts.
timber.
Oh, okay. Now you're going to smoke me, huh?
Yeah.
You going to smoke me and eat me?
Maybe.
I love your footwear.
Thank you.
Very sexy.
Yeah.